I was born, I was immediately qualified as woman. I was taught to behave as one. Don't shout, don't say bad words, don't climb trees, don't ask too much, don't be rebellious, don't confront others, don't show your sexuality, don't take the initiative, don't be a whore, don't be free. Women must be pretty, kind, and willing. Women must please others. Women must please men. To accomplish that, I find myself always forced to constantly pursue an unreachable stereotype of what I'm supposed to should be. That's why I cover my eye bags, my pimples, my imperfections, my wants, my sadness, my broken dreams, my passions, my real desires. And I wonder, under all these heavy and thick makeup layers, am I still me?